For years, interacting with artificial intelligence has meant sitting at a keyboard. You type a prompt, you wait for an answer, and you type another prompt. You are completely bottlenecked by your own typing speed. Treating large language models strictly as chatbots traps you in a one-to-one relationship. You are the operator. When you step away from your desk to grab a coffee or take a walk, the work stops. AI researcher Andrej Karpathy recently noted that treating these systems this way means leaving tokens on the table. A human manually prompting an AI simply cannot keep up with the model's underlying processing power. Recently, the interaction model changed. Developers started building harnesses that allow you to delegate open-ended tasks to an autonomous digital worker. Success in modern knowledge work requires stepping away from the keyboard and moving into the command chair to manage multiple workflows at once. To understand how this works in practice, look at a modern asynchronous workflow. On the left, a person is out in the physical world. On the right, their desktop is running autonomously back at the office. From their phone, the user sends a single high-level command: pull the latest competitor updates from the web and draft a new strategy document. The system uses persistent context. Persistent context is a memory framework that ensures the AI retains the overarching goal and details of a project across multiple separate tasks, rather than resetting with every new prompt. The AI interprets the intent behind the mobile message. It then independently spawns a research subsession to browse the web and a separate writing session to format the document, pulling the right software tools for each job. The AI independently orchestrates a multi-step project in the background while the user drinks their coffee. Back on the desktop, the agent utilizes a capability known as computer use. Instead of relying entirely on back-end code, the AI takes literal control of the desktop environment. It can navigate non-native, legacy applications by visually reading the pixels on the screen, copying competitor data from a web browser, and pasting it directly into a local spreadsheet. It replicates human mouse movements and keystrokes to operate the user interface itself, bypassing the need for clean, pre-built API integrations. Meanwhile, the human is walking their dog. A push notification pops up on their phone, alerting them that the AI has finished the draft and needs a review. Opening a messaging channel like Telegram or Discord, the user reads the summary and types out a quick one-handed course correction. Make the value proposition sharper. The desktop agent instantly ingests this mobile feedback and resumes its execution to revise the document. A few seconds of direction from a smartphone yields hours of continuous, deep work execution on the desktop. This chart shows the timeline of a typical morning under this new workflow. The human spent perhaps 25 total minutes actively managing the project through sporadic text messages. In that same window, the machine completed over 3 hours of complex parallel work. This leverage is driving an emerging industry metric called token maxing. Token maxing is an evaluation concept where companies measure how many AI computational tokens an employee consumes, using high consumption as an indicator of strong performance. High productivity now depends on running multiple agents on parallel tasks simultaneously. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang describes a near future where a single employee acts as an orchestrator. They deploy a primary agent, which then spawns a team of specialized sub-agents to conduct research, query databases, and execute multi-step goals. As these swarms of agents learn to pull data and take actions across any software on your computer, the traditional concept of opening a specific app to do a specific job begins to dissolve. The agents become the only interface you need. Professionals who thrive in this environment move beyond manual operation. The new baseline for knowledge work is mastering the management of an autonomous digital workforce.